equilibrium forces. We are now in triangular forces. Let's go. The body P shown below is an equilibrium. Is in an equilibrium. If the mass of the body is 10 kg, calculate the tension T. This is very, very simple yet tricky. Be very careful with this kind of question. Of course, this question was released in last year WAEC. Immediately you see something like this, you have to redraw. And once you are redrawing, you should have it at the back of your mind that what you want to do is form a right angle triangle. Have it at the back of your mind, please. Now look at this. If I want to redraw this, now I come here. Look at how this thing goes. So we have form an angle of 60. Now at P we have a mass. At P we have a mass which is 10. If I redraw this right now, you should have something like this. This is my point P, and I have something like this. Then it makes an angle. Here is 60 degrees. Here is T. Here is T. Now remember, here is 10 kg and this which is P. Now look at what is going to happen. This is so tricky. Look at what is going to happen. I need that my kg to be in Newton. And whenever you have a mass, I can get a weight which is in Newton. Weight is m times g. So I have my mass to be 10 times acceleration due to gravity is a constant, which is 10. So 10 times 10 should give me 100 what? Newton. So if I want to keep it in Newton, I can simply just convert it and get my 100. Now look at what I want to do. Please be careful about this. Remember, we have a force also that goes this side. Now this line is parallel to this line. This line is parallel to this line. And remember, this place has changed from 10 kg to what? 100 newtons. So this line is parallel to this. And we have already another force that closes it. Look at it from the question. So all I need to do right now is to draw a right angle triangle and the answer will flow naturally. Now look at this. If I draw this like this, and I extend it up, of course this is my 60 degrees. Since this line is parallel to this place is what? 100 Newton. And I don't know this place, is it not? I don't know that place. And of course I know that here is my tension. So we have succeeded in drawing a right angle triangle. This is triangular of forces. Immediately you know how to arrange this thing, you are already on your path to greatness. Now remember, we want to calculate the tension T. And right now, immediately you have redrawn it, the answer is flowing naturally. This is a right angle triangle. Now using SOHCAHTOA, using the principle of SOHCAHTOA. Remember, this is, of course, we have the opposite to 90 degrees. So what I want to do right now is cos is adjacent all over hypotenuse. Cos is adjacent all over hypotenuse. Please be very, very careful. Some people may rush and say, remember the opposite to 90 degrees, the opposite to the 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. Now look at this place. Be very careful. This is an angle of 60 degrees. This is the opposite of the angle. Therefore, 100 is the adjacent. Be very careful. This is a very tricky question. The opposite of 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. Don't come and say this is an angle. Of course, this is an angle, but look at the angle given. And so this is the opposite. Why this place is the what? The adjacent. So what will happen here is cos theta, of course, is adjacent all over hypotenuse. Now, the adjacent is 100. The hypotenuse is T. So this is cos 30 is equal to adjacent, which is 100. Your hypotenuse is what? T. So by cross multiplication, T is equals to 100 cos 30. And this will give you 100 root of 3 all over 2. And of course, once you press it in your calculator, what you will get is what? 200 newtons. 200. So your tension is 200 newtons. So, yes, there's a little bit mistake. I made a very big mistake here. This is cos 60, not cos 30, right? Good. This is cos 60. This is cos 60. Right. Good. So, of course, this is not 3 over 3 again. This should be times cos of 60. And cos 60 should give you, is this 0 point? 0 point. I think there's a very big mistake even in my cross multiplier. What am I doing? Even in my cross multiplier, I made a very big mistake. Now let me correct it. This is this times this. So for you to get your t, this should be 100 all over cos of 60. And this will give you 100. Cos 60 is what? Cos 60 should give you 0.5. 0.5. So 0.5. So this should give you 100 divided by 0.5 should give you 200 Newton. Of course, that is it for that video. So please mind the small mistake. It can happen.